How you ladies and gentlemen doing today? We're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the brand new Seiko 5 SRPD63. Beautiful 42mm stainless steel, as you see here, with the green dial and green bezel. Let's get right into it. So, as you see, we have this beautiful watch that I might actually have to keep into the collection, with the silver casing, 42mm as we were talking, stainless steel bracelet. This clasp here is the extra security clasp to give you that extra secure, tight fit, but then you also have the open case back. Seiko has the 10-bar dive rate, which is actually about 300 feet, roughly about 100 meters. Alright. I do like the fact that we had the beautiful option of the rose gold outline hands that gives it that pop within the light, and it just dances for me. Alright. To me, I feel like Seiko designed a very good watch for the price point, and I'm going to definitely put this to the test for you, and we are going to find out. You do get the date here as well, and then this is a unidirectional bezel, so it does turn. Nice and easy. Believe it or not, for it to be a 42mm, it fits very nice on the wrist. And I actually believe this may be a keeper. We're gonna do a quick review over time for this and see how it lasts, how it keeps up. And if you still see it in the collection, just know this is a great watch that you should be definitely getting your hands on. Overall, Seiko definitely put a lot of work into this watch because they put their own movement into this watch. If you're into jewels, it does have 24 jewels within the watch itself. 41-hour power reserve. The crown here is not a screw down crown, but it is protected. The crown here is not a screw down, but it is protected. Beautiful, elegant, in all different type of fashion. I think this dive watch hit a lot of different price points for the price point that it is in, retailing at $325. You let me know if this is a Seiko watch that you would like to have in your collection, that you would put in your collection. If so, stay tuned, because we're going to have more of these and a more detailed breakdown of this watch here after we actually get a little more experience of wearing it. Watch this.